Hello students of class 7th. Today we are going to do chapter 9, Pathfinder, Religious Movements. Let's begin. Topic to be covered: the Hinduism in different parts of India, Bhakt movement, Sufism, case study, Sant Kabir, Sikhism. Development of religious system in the north 800 to 1200 AD. During this period, people mostly followed Hinduism. Popular deities worshipped were Vishnu, Shiva and Durga. Bhakti movement spread to the north, emphasizing Vedas and disgrading caste. Buddhism and Jainism gained popularity for various reasons. Development of religious systems in the south 800 to 1200 AD. People followed Hinduism and worshipped Hindu gods. Other religions like Buddhism, Christianity, Islam and Jainism also existed. Religious movements and sects emerged during this time. Shankarcharyas, Ramanujas and Mahadevs were prominent religious teachers. Development and religious systems under the Delhi Sultanate 1206 to 1525 AD. Turkish rule brought Islam to India. Muslims have key principles: believe in Allah and Muhammad, prayers, alms, fasting and pilgrimage to Makkah. Hindus and Muslims were initially hostile, but living together brought them closer. Reforms like Sufism and Bhakti movement bridged religious differences. Development of religious systems under the Mughal 1526 to 1707 AD. Mughals followed Islam and applied religious laws. Akbar believed in religious tolerance and held discussions with leaders of different religions. He built the Ibadat Khana for the religious discussions with Hindus, Christians, Zoroastrians and Jains. Aurangzeb's attempt to change the state's religious fabric hurt the Mughal Empire. The Bhakti movement. Bhakti means devotion or love for God. It rejected caste distinctions and class hatred. Followers divided into Saguna, form, and Nirguna, formless. Emphasized loving relationships, kindness and brotherhood among all. Reasons for the success of Bhakti movement: Bhakti saints spoke in Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Oriya, Assami, Telugu and Kannada. They taught easy ways of connect with gods. They ignored caste, color, creed and gender bias. Saints spread the movement across the country. Important Bhakti saints: Ramanuja, Ramanada, Kabir, Navdevas, Guru Nanak, Vallabhacharya, Chaitanya and Mirabai were Bhakti movement reformers. Ramanuja preached Vishnu worship and gained followers in South India. Kabir, a weaver, prompted Hindu-Muslim unity and the Niruga form of Bhakti. Other notable figures include Sant Janeshwar, Guru Nanak, Vallabhacharya, Chaitanya, Mirabai, Narsi Mehta, Surdas and Tulsidas. Case study: Sant Kabir. Sant Kabir Das was a great poet of the Bhakti movement. He was a weaver and had a straightforward approach to life. Kabir emphasized unity of God and purity of character. He promoted simple living, rejected ritual and advocated Hindu-Muslim unity. Sufism and its teachings. Sufis came from Persia and settled in India. Sufism focuses on repentance and trust in God. Sufism grew during the Bhakti movement. Sufism emphasizes tolerance, respect and devotion to God. Sikhism. Sikhs follow Guru Nanak and other gurus. Sikhism started with Guru Nanak in 1469. Sikhs worship in Gurudwaras and have Guru Granth Sahib. There were 10 Sikh gurus and 5 sacred symbols. Thank you.